an activity that could encourage counting numbers and writing numbers, and phonics, matching letter and letter sounds, and living skills, including knowing days of the week and month of the year and other holidays within the month. What can it be? It's the calendar! Welcome parents and educators and my OT-PT colleagues. Ms. Sue here. Welcome and thank you for visiting my channel. On my channel, I share OT tricks and strategies and other informations about child development. Today on this video, I want to share calendar activity that I do first or second week of each month with my students. I'm going to show you how I use this activity in my teletherapy session. Let's go! Yeah, on the top of your paper, you will write February. Yep. What letter makes F sound? What is the first letter?
The letter is F.
What is this year?
2021. Boom.
And let's draw a line. I know we're not using a ruler right now, so you try to go as straight as possible without picking up your pencil. Keep your eyes on the line, keep your hands steady. We will make 8 lines from top to bottom. You have to have 7 boxes, so we will cross out the last one if you have 8. What are those 7 columns for?
Because we have 7. We have 7. Like Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday,
Bingo!
Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
Very good. We have 7 days of the week.
No.
Now what we will do is we need to put days of the week, okay? We start the week with Sunday. What comes after Sunday?
Monday.
What letter do you start for Tuesday?
Capital T.
Very good. What are the 3 letters for Sunday?
S. U-N.
Thank you very much.
Today is Thursday, February.
What's it? Very good. February 4. So from here, we can write.
I'm gonna draw some of my numbers.
Yeah, we have to fill in the boxes with number, and February has 28 days.
Really?
February has 28 days. Let's fill in the box. Okay, after you finish drawing the calendar, you will be drawing a cake on your brother's birthday. No, we will write no school on 12 because that's the Lunar New Year. So you don't go to school on Friday, next week on Friday.
It's Sunday.
And it will go until 19 because that's the mid-winter break. Before you go, one more takeaway for you. You can use this calendar as a sticker chart or reinforcement chart. You can have your child to draw telemarks for any positive behaviors for the day. So your child can learn to make telemarks, how to count the telemarks, and the positive behavior will be encouraged. Enjoy time making calendar with your little one or with your student. Hope the content was helpful. If it was helpful, make sure you give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Have a good week and weekend. Bye!